If fleet management is your game, then technology is the board on which you play. Through scores of sensors and ubiquitous connectivity, you can manage, monitor, and maintain all the aspects of your fleet. It's because of a diversity of digital channels that you can track tire wear, fuel consumption, and schedule maintenance. Now, think about how much more you could do if you could control all of that and a significant amount more from one single central dashboard. When information is co-located into a single streamlined system, then you start to find real efficiencies. When your assets and your accounting package, your telematics and customer agreements all work together, then everything works better. When your bank and tracking company, sales pipelines and maintenance schedules all speak the same language, you can start to hear the song they're singing. When you can pay your licenses and fines while paying attention to your driver's behavior, you can get more time to do more. When all of this information from a million different sources is centralized, harmonized, and visualized, you can forecast with actual accuracy. When all that data is consolidated and compared, you can get a clear view of the total cost of ownership. Anything less, and you're not getting the big picture, the complete picture. And that's our domain, FleetDomain. Fleet management that actually manages your fleet and all its disparate parts.